students, welcome to all in our today's online class. Myself, Sheetal Dudhani from Kengar Municipal English Upper Primary School number 1. Today we are going to study Standard 5th. Name of the lesson is Be a Netizen. But before starting our lesson, I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Very good, children. Okay. Now
Yes,
let's
teacher.
listen carefully. You know, in mobile, there are various types of apps. Now tell me,
What's up?
what apps do you use every day?
YouTube. YouTube. WhatsApp. Facebook. Teacher. Phone. Teacher, I'm using Zoom app,
Very good.
Telegram app, WhatsApp, Telegram app, Zoom app, Meet app,
Okay.
Google Meet app.
Very good. We use WhatsApp, YouTube, Music, Google Meet, Zoom app, various apps every day. My second question is, which apps do you use for teaching learning process?
Zoom. Zoom app. Zoom app.
We use Zoom app, Google Meet app, Diksha app, WhatsApp for teaching learning. Telegram also. Very good. Correct answer. Next, my third question is, which thing is important to download these apps?
Play Store. Play Store.
What fourth thing is important for the download these apps?
Diksha app. Data.
No, for downloading what we need?
Data.
Data. Very good. Data means mobile net, internet. Understood?
Yes.
It means for downloading these apps, we need internet. So students, in our today's lesson, we are going to study about internet, network, websites, search engines, computer, and its uses. What is the meaning of online, offline, and at the end, we will learn about email. Okay. Children, here in the name of the topic, word netizen comes. You are familiar with the word network, internet, or net. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. First, we are going to out the word citizen. Let's see. Citizen. Do you know what is citizen?
The people who live in specific country called as country. As citizen of that country.
Let's see. Here you can see people. These are citizens. Means the people who lives in specific country is called as citizens of that country. We all are live in India. So we are citizens of India. Get it? Now our next point is netizen. 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 See,
These people are very busy in laptop, mobile, are called netizens. Computers, so these people are called netizens.
Okay, just wait a minute. Meaning of the word netizen, observe each and every person in the picture carefully. Observe it carefully. They are very busy in laptops, computers, and mobiles.
Teacher, in the another word we can say a person who use the internet regularly.
Very good, very good. A person who use the internet or net regularly, this person is also called as netizen. So these people are called netizen. That means meaning of the word netizen is the people who use the net or internet are called netizens. Okay, students?
Yes.
I hope you all understand the meaning of the word netizen.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move forward. What do you see in the picture?
Computer.
In the first picture, you can see computer. And in the second picture,
Basic part of a computer.
Part.
very good. Which are the basic parts of a computer?
Monitor, CPU,
Monitor, printer, CPU, speaker, keyboard, mouse, speakers.
Okay, speakers, printer, monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. These are the basic parts of computer. Now, have you seen or used computer?
Teacher, I have used the computer at my school.
Very good. Or where do we use or seen computer?
At our house, at our
School.
Good. At our home, at our school, we use computer. We can see computers at different places like banks also, at railway station, in various offices,
At
at
our
school.
office.
Very good. At our office, at shops. In
And
this way, correct answer. In this way, computers are used at different places for different purposes. We use computer at home. Then tell me, what are the uses of computer at home?
teacher,
Monitor.
Uses of
teacher, computer are used at office for online bill payment, watching movies, or show at home.
very good. Correct answer. We use
And
computer.
teacher, the computer is used at business place, banking, government, education, industry.
Very good. Correct answer. We use computer for drawing, reading, writing. We do many things quickly
We are
and
listening the song.
Rating card.
We are listening the song. We are playing the game.
we are playing game on the computer. We are listening the music, sending or receiving the messages. We get lot of information on the computer.
Teacher,
These
we are
are the
chatting on the computer or we are studying on the computer.
very
Sit
good.
down.
Very good. We solve mathematical calculation on the computer also.
Yes.
Very good. So we do many things quickly and correctly and within a minutes by the use of computer. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. If we calculate manually, it takes too much time to complete that work. But our computers complete that works within minutes. Yes or no?
Teacher,
Yes.
within seconds.
Within a second. Very good. As fast. Look, here is the one picture. What do you see in that picture?
The
Internet.
internet is a network of computer.
Very good, correct. Computers have brought about many changes in the way we do things. One of the most amazing feature of a computer world is the internet or net. Then what is mean by internet? Let's see. The internet is a network of computer. Remember this, huh? The internet is a network of computers. What is mean by internet?
The internet is a network of computer.
Always remember this. Then what is mean by network? Let's see. Network. What do you see in the picture?
Fuck.
This is the, I think, whole world.
Yes, whole world connected with each other by
Net.
using tubes, wires, roads, and this is nothing but the network. This is nothing but the
Network.
network.
Teacher,
Listen, a network is a system of tubes, wires, roads, etc., which are all connected to each other. Network is a system of tubes, wires, roads, etc., which are all connected to each other.
teacher, Teacher, in the another word, we can say a system of roads, railway lines, etc. that are connected to each other.
Very good, correct. It also correct. It links. Now see, it links thousands of computers or smaller networks of computers with one another. Network helps to connect computers and smaller network of computers with one another. Understood?
Yes.
I hope you all understood the meaning of network.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. See in this picture. Here you can see network. It is so large that millions of people around the world can use it at the same time. It means we use network at the same time. Many people can use network in whole over India or in whole over the world. It is so large. Network is so large. The internet makes it possible for users to get and send information quickly. How can it possible to send and get the information quickly? With the help of internet. Understand?
Yes.
But see here, now we will see how do we get information on the computer. See, here it is necessary for us to give instructions to our computer to start using internet. Otherwise, you can't get any type of information. You can't send or receive any type of messages on the computer. Before you, if you want to receive those messages, it is necessary for you to give instructions to your computer to start using internet. See here in the picture, user login. It means for this, you have to do is to log on. After that, your computer is connected to the net. Get it?
Yes.
It means all you have to do is to log on. That is to give instructions to your computer to start using internet. So it is necessary for you to give instruction to your computer to start using internet. For this you have to do is to log on. After that your computer is connected to the net. Then see here, you may see on the net all different types of information you need. Then tell me which type of information you gather from the net.
Teacher,
What type of information we get from the net?
from the net. Teacher, text.
Text. Very good.
Moving image.
Moving images.
Picture.
Sound and music.
Teacher, picture, videos.
Very good. Videos, pictures, sound and
Teacher,
music.
news.
News also. Correct answer. All the information you need. The information may be in the form of text, pictures, moving images, or even sounds, music, songs, movie, speeches, or music. These are all different type of information we can gather from the internet. It is one of the most important advantage of the internet. Okay. Then our next point is log out. It means when
Log
you
out.
Log out means log off. It also called as log off. When your work finishes, then you can log off or log out from the net. Means once you gather information on the net, you can log off. That is, give instructions to your computer to get disconnected from the net. Understood? If you don't want to connect with internet after finished your work, then you can log off or log out from the net. So what is mean by log off? Give instructions to your computer to get disconnected from the net. It means log off. Understood?
Yes.
Now let's see, our next point is website. Website. Do you know website?
Teacher,
Link.
Yes, links.
teacher, what? There is World Wide App. World
Yes,
Wide Web.
World Wide Web.
World.
Wide Web
Web.
website.
The short form we are telling WW.
www short form.
WWW is the short form of World Wide Web.
Web.
But before World Wide Web, we have learned here website. About
Website.
the information on the net is stored and made available in a systematic way on website. It means on the website, what we get? Information available in a systematic way. In which way? Systematic way on the website. You can see various websites not only on the computer but also on the mobile. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we can also see the website on the mobile. If you want information related to any subject or topic, you can type that word in Google or Chrome. It shows various websites. Then what is mean by website? The meaning of the website is, website are the places on the net. Here you can see one website. Do you see this website? Here, see website. You can see the website.
Yes.
Yes. What is mean by website? Website are the places
Website is
on
a
the net.
place on the internet where information is made available in the
Systematic way.
systematic.
Very good. Correct answer. A website is a place. Website are the places on the net where information made available in a systematic way. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. There are different types of website and so many thousands of website on the net. So here you can see one website. This website begins with the letters HTTP.
HTTP.
Very good. Such a website has its own address. Each website has its own address. Using this address, you can visit a website. That is, you can read or view the information stored on it. That means in each website, different types of information are stored. And if you want to read or view this information, then you should visit such a website. Understand?
Yes.
Then see here in the next picture, types of websites. Here are different types of websites. Can you see these types of websites?
Yes.
Which are they?
Business conference website, business website, portal website, medium website,
Non-profit.
non-profit website, educational website, or
Infopreneur.
infopreneur website.
Very good, correct answer. There are different types of website such as e-commerce website, business website, portfolio website, media website, non-profit website, educational website, or infopreneur website. These are various types of website. Here, in all above websites, educational website, this belongs to us. Educational website belongs to us. We mostly use this website and
Teacher,
different types of website. Yes.
teacher, there are also social media websites.
Yes, there are also social media website, correct. But we mostly use educational website because this belongs to us. Understand?
Yes.
And there are so many websites on the net. See here, World Wide Web. It is the short form of the www. What is the short form of www?
World, teacher, World Wide Web.
Very good. World Wide Web means the thousands of websites on the net together form World Wide Web. There are thousands of websites on the net, and that is why they together form World Wide Web. Remember this, short form. What is the long form of the www?
World Wide Web.
Very good, correct.
And the short form is www.
Very good. Short form is www and the long form is World Wide.
World Wide Web.
For example, www.facebook.com. This is one of the website, and this website is related with the Facebook. Okay.
Yes.
See here. Next point is search engines. Do you know what is mean by search engines? See here. There are special computer programs known as search engines. It means here is the option to search any website. This option is called search engines. There are special computer programs known as search engines which help you to find the different website on the World Wide Web. Search engines help us to find the different websites on the World Wide Web. Get it?
Yes.
Now, if you want to search any website on the computer, then what to do? You should type or copy paste the website in search engines and go. Click on the go, then we get different types of we get that website. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
That means search engines help us. Search engine is a special computer program known as search engine, and which help us to find the different websites on the World Wide Web. What is mean by search engines?
World Wide Web.
Nine, not correct. What is mean by search engines? Search engines are the special computer programs.
Search engine means special computer programs.
That help us to find the different website on the World Wide Web. Now our next point is, see here, search engines, then browsing or surfing. Do you know these words, browsing or surfing? Listen it carefully. See here in the picture, you can see screen of a computer. If you type the word or subject on which you want information, the search engine shows on your screen a list of websites. Do you see list of website here?
Yes.
If you type any word or any subject which you want, then you get different types of website. On the search engine shows these different types of website list. Looking at various websites, and we can find out which website we want. Looking at various websites known as browsing or surfing the net. What is mean by browsing? Looking at various websites known as browsing or surfing the net. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
What is mean by browsing or surfing? Looking at various websites known as browsing or surfing.
Looking at the various website known as browsing or surfing website.
Very good. Then next, you all know a book or magazine. Do you see book or magazine? Yes. You can see in the book, in your textbooks or various magazines, there are pictures, words, and sentences are printed. Yes or no? Yes. In your book or in the magazines, there are various pictures, words, sentences are printed, and you get lot of information from these books. Correct?
Yes.
Now here one line is given in your textbook. A website is like a book or magazine. It means a website is compared with a book or magazine because books or magazines gives us lot of information. In the same way, website gives us lot of information. But one more advantage about website is you see here a website is like a book or magazine, but you cannot make changes in a book once it is printed. That means after printing a book, we cannot make any changes in that book. But it is possible. What about website? It is possible to change the text or pictures on a website as many times as you like. It means on the website we can change the text or pictures as many times as you like. But who can do this? So website makers means who makes website can update a website. Who make changes in who update the websites?
Teacher, what?
Who update the websites? Website makers. Who update the websites?
Website makers.
That means website maker update the website. If any changes in the information, if they want to change the information or add the text, then they can update the website. But in the book, it is possible? No. In the book,
No.
it is possible to add the text? No, because it gets printed. After printing, it is not possible to add the text. But in the website, it is possible to add the text or pictures. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Then here you can see two words are there. First word is the online
Online and offline.
offline. And you are mostly familiar with these two words.
Yes.
You know the meaning of these words. Let's see what is mean by online. See here, listen carefully. If your computer or mobile or laptop connected to the internet, means you are online. Online means if your computer, mobile or laptop, anyone is connected to the internet, that means you are online.
Teacher connected to a computer or to the internet.
Okay, connected to the computer or to the internet, that means you are online. And what is mean by offline? Offline is the opposite to the online.
Teacher
If
not controlled by the directly connected to the computer or
very
internet.
good, very good. Correct answer, very good. If your computer or mobile or laptop, anyone is not connected to the internet, means you are offline. So do you understand meaning of these two words?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now see here, download. What is mean by download? See here, and why downloading is necessary. Sometimes you gather a lot of information on the net which you want to read or use later. What do you do then? Tell me. If you want to read or use the information gathered from the net afterwards, after few days, then what do you do then?
Teacher, we are doing download.
Very good. We are doing downloading. It means you can make a copy of the text or pictures on your computer and store it there. In other words, you download the information on your computer and then use it anytime you like. Yes or no?
Teacher, in the we can say like to copy a computer file for the large computer system to the smaller one.
Very good. To copy our file to the large computer system to the smaller computer or smaller in the smaller folder also. In other words, you can download the information on your computer and then use it anytime you like. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now our next point is email or electronic mail. If you want to send information on the net, you first need to get ready on your computer in the way you want to one on the net. That means you need a website to display the information on the net. Listen it carefully. If you want to send information or on the net, you first need to get ready on your computer in the way you want it on the net. Here in this picture, you can see if anyone want to send or receive messages on the net, you need to have your own account on the net. Correct? Yes or no? You need to have
Yes.
your own account.
Yes,
You
teacher.
should create your own.
Yes.
Then you should create your own personal address on the net. Then you can receive messages on this address and also send them. Here in the picture, see how to create Google account. Here is one type of Google account. For that,
Teacher, first we have to give the information.
very good. Here some information is for filling name, username, create password, confirm your password. The system of sending. So now let's see what is meant by email or electronic mail. Email is also called as electronic mail. The definition of email is the system of sending and receiving messages or mail on computers is known as email or electronic mail. Get it? What is meant by electronic mail? The system of sending and receiving message or mail on computers is known as email or electronic
Yes.
mail. What is meant by
Teacher, in
email?
another word, we can say a way of sending electronic message or data from one computer to another.
Very good. Correct. Very good. This is about email or electronic mail. Just before
Teacher, the full form of the email is electronic mail, and the short form of the electronic mail is email.
Very good. Correct. Correct answer. Just before we see this page, in this page, see here how to create Google account. An email address is short and unique way. Email address. If you want to create account on the net, you need email address. So an email address is short and unique way. No two email addresses are same with the address. See here, no one's email addresses are same. With the addresses, you get an account on the net. You can lock your account by using password. How can you lock your account?
Teacher, for giving the password.
Password. Very good. A password is a secret word. Password is a secret word or group of letters or numbers. It may be group of letters or maybe group of numbers. The computer will allow a person to use or see the account only when the person types the correct password. Right or wrong?
Right.
The computer will allow a person to use or see account only when the person types his or her correct password. So it is necessary to always remember your password. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, students. Now in this chapter, let me revise what we have learned. Firstly, we learn about the word netizen. Netizens means people who use the net are netizens. Understood?
Yes.
Secondly, we learn about computers and the uses of computers. We use computers for writing, reading, for calculations, for listening to the music, for drawing, for painting, so many uses of computer. Then after that, we learn the internet is a network of computer. Definition of internet. What is mean by internet?
What is mean by internet? The internet is a network of computer.
Very good, correct answer. Afterwards that we learn about a network. Just before I shown you a picture of network. Then what is mean by network? Once again, revise this. A network is a system of tubes, wires, roads, etc., which connected to each other. Then we learn websites. Websites. We learn about websites. Websites means
Website are placed on the net. The thousands of websites on the net together from World Wide Web.
okay, thank you. See here, websites are places on the net where information made available in systematic way. After that, we learn about World Wide Web. It is the short form of www. The thousands of websites on the net together form the World Wide Web. After that, we learn about search engines. Search engines are
special computer programs looking at the various websites is known as browsing or surfing.
Then tell me how the search engine help us to find out the websites.
Search engines help
To find out the website which you want. If
search
you type website or copy paste the website on that search engine, it shows the result related to those websites. Correct. After that, looking at the various websites, this is known as browsing or surfing. Browsing or surfing the net. What is mean by browsing or surfing the net?
Teacher, what?
What is mean by browsing or surfing the net?
Looking at the various websites is known as browsing or surfing website.
After that, we learn two definitions. First one is the online and
Online
second
and
one is
offline.
What is mean by online?
If your computer is connected to the internet, that means you are online.
Very good. And what is mean by offline?
If your computer is not connected to the computer, that means you are offline.
Very good. If your computer is connected to the internet, that means you are online. And if your computer is not connected to the net, that means offline. Okay.
Yes.
I hope students, you all understood today's lesson. Do you understood today's lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Now exercise is here. Give me the answers. What is the internet? My first question is, what is the internet?
Teacher, the internet is the network of computers. It links thousands of computers or smaller networks with one another.
Very good. Correct answer. Now my second question is, what are search engines?
Teacher, search engines are special computer programs that help us to find different websites having the information
Very good.
we are looking for on the World Wide Web.
Very good. Very good. Then third question is, who are netizens?
Who are netizens? A person who uses the internet is called a netizen.
Very good. Correct answer. Then last question is, what is mean by being online?
Teacher, I will tell.
When the computer was connected
connected to the internet, we are said to be online.
Very good. Correct answer. Now your homework, see here. Find a picture of a computer with the help of your parents and label the different parts you see. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
See here. Email or electronic mail. Just before we learn, see, a password is secret word or group of letters or numbers. The computer will allow a person. If we write incorrect password, then it becomes open or not.
Yes.
The computer will allow you to use your account if we write incorrect password.
No.
No. So you write correct password to use or see the account. So all of you understood today's lesson?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, teacher.